Good morning, students. How are you all? You are good. Okay. Meena, stand up. How are you feeling? Very good. Okay, nice. Sit down. Raju, you stand up and tell me how are you feeling? Better? Okay, good. Okay, students. So, how are you feeling right now? Can you tell me how are you feeling right now? Yes. Anjali, stand up and tell me. How are you feeling now? Okay, sit down. And you, Mehak, stand up and tell me. Okay, so somebody is saying that they are feeling very good. Someone is saying they are feeling no okay. Somebody is saying that they are feeling no not very good, but they are feeling good. Okay, okay. So can you tell me which season is this right now? Which season is this? Which seasons is present currently? Yes, Rahul, stand up and tell me. Summer season. Okay, summer season. Very good. And anybody else would like to tell me? Yes, Rohit, you stand up and tell me. Okay, very good. You also said me that summer season. Okay, but it's not proper summer season because it's February right now. No, so we can't say it's proper summer season because summers, no, that lies in May. It lies from April, May, June, July. Okay, so today we will be studying about something that is very interesting. Uh, so can you see something above you and tell me when it is used? What is above you? Yes, yes, Meena, stand up and tell me. Fan. Very good. Fan is above you. So can you tell me when we no start using fan? Can you tell me? Who will tell me? Please raise your hands. Yes, yes, Rohit, stand up and tell. When, when, once you feel hot. Okay, very nice. Sit down. So once you feel very hot, we start using fan. So all the things that once we feel hot, we use fan, or once we feel hot, we use coolers, we use ACs. You know, in your homes also you might be seeing using, your parents might be using coolers and all, ACs, etc. So this is all just because the season, no, that we that make us feel very hot, and that is summer season. Okay, so today we are going to study about something that is very interesting topic, and that is a part of environment. Environmental science, and the topic is weather and climate. So since students, you all told me that you are using fan these days because you have started feeling somewhat hot. Okay, and so what is this hotness and what was that coldness during winter? Can anyone tell me? Yes, yes, Preeti, stand up and tell. It was season. Okay, very nice. So Preeti told me that it was due to some kind of seasonal changes that right now we are using fan, and earlier we were not using fans, or we are right now using no coolers and somewhere ACs also. Okay. So can you tell me what is weather or climate? No. Right now you can't tell me, but once you are familiar with the concept of weather and climate, you will be able to tell me very easily. Okay. So what is weather? Weather is the day-to-day condition that change. Okay, so weather is something that lasts for very short time. For example, if I ask you to tell me weather that was occurred yesterday, what will you tell me? You will tell me, ma'am, that yesterday it was a hot day. And if I ask you what was the temperature, then you can also tell me temperature. In news also we see the temperature, in newspapers also we see the particular day's temperature. Okay, so for example, I tell you that the weather yesterday was somewhat hot and the temperature was around 25 degree Celsius. Okay, very good. And if I ask you day before yesterday's weather, what was that? Who will tell me? Will anybody stand up and try to tell me what was the approximately, you can assume what was the temperature day before yesterday? Yes, Sheetal, you stand up and tell me. 30 degrees centigrade. Okay, sit down, but it's somewhat close, but not exactly. Okay, but we can assume that day before yesterday was 30 degree. Another temperature we get, for example, this is T1, this is T2. Temperature got 30 degrees. Okay. And while talking about this, so this was on weather. It was a hot day and temperature was this. Compared T2 with T1. T1 was less hot because temperature was less. Which temperature is more? Mohit, you stand up and tell. T1 is less than T2. Okay. Because as we know, 25 is less than 30. So T1 less than T2. Now, so there is I think you can say that the weather is a short part about telling about the climatic condition. But when we talk about the climate is a whole thing. For example, if I say what is the climate during summer days, or what is the climate of a particular space during winter days. Okay, this was all about weather. Now when we talk about climate, we say that summer days are followed by hot days. And on the other hand, when we talk about that what are winter days all about, so winter days are all about cold days. Cold days. Okay, so who can tell me that when we say that we talk about a hilly region, for example, Shweta, you stand up and tell me, when we talk about a hilly region, then what will you say about a hilly region's climatic condition? Yes, Shweta? It will be cooler. Okay, good. Shweta told me that the climatic conditions of a mountainous region will be cooler. That is right answer. Okay, Arun, you stand up and tell me. It will be also be rain will also occur. Okay, very good. It will be consist of colder days, and there will be rainfall also there. That's correct, because climatic conditions also vary from place to place. These are not same. For example, a mountainous region will have a particular set of climatic conditions only. They will not have a regular changing, like if in plains the these months, for particular April to June month, are belong to summer seasons, and then the same cannot be said for the mountainous regions, or the same cannot be said for the coastal regions also. So the climatic conditions there will be different, and here will be different. Okay, so and the next thing you can say about weather and climate is that the weather keeps changing day to day. As I told you that the temperature yesterday was 25, and Mohit told me that the temperature day before yesterday was 30. So there is not similar temperature measurement, because one day it was 25, another day it was 30, might be today it might be 20. Who can tell? Okay, so the temperature keeps on differing. And if we talk about the climatic condition, then the climatic condition, we know that it's summertime, then we know that it will be hot. Okay, the day duration will not be like very short days, because these are the characteristics of winters, that winters have short days and long nights. And when we talk about climate, when we talk about the summer season, then in summers the days are longer and the nights are shorter. Because you might be experiencing the same, your school timing. What are your school timing during winter days? Who will tell me? Yes, Geeta, you stand up and tell. 9 to 3. Very good. Sit down. And Ravi, you stand. Huh. So what are your winter time? What are your timings during summer season? Morning 7:30 to 2:30. Okay, very good. So, like Ravi told and she told, that the timings also differ. The timings even are made different just because because the climatic conditions differ. The climatic conditions differ, that the summers are a particular time, winters are for another time, and the days are very short during winters. So there is a lack of time during winter days, there are short days. Okay, and while we know in summers the days are longer, so the time period is also from starting from the early morning till noon time. Okay, so the weather and the climate differences. Oh, I hope that you are able to uh, know know well about the topics now. Okay, so you know that there is some kind of your favorite season also of students, of children's, where you make paper boats or you keep dancing. Can anyone tell me what that season is all about? Who will tell me? Please raise your hands. Yes, Savita, get up and tell. Winter season? No, you sit down. Yes, Preeti? Rainy season, very good. So Preeti told me that the rainy season is some kind of season in which children often make paper boats and they keep dancing in the rain. They enjoy rain. So rainy season. That is a particular season that ranges from certain to certain months. No, we can't find rain happening in all days during the year. We can't find. We find only in particular set of months only, na. And the rainy season, you can say, so the weather during rainy season is what? Weather during rainy season is that the rainfall will occur, and everywhere you can easily find that water, and water, even waterlogging conditions also occur. So rainfall season mainly July, August, and somewhat in September. Okay, so this was all about weather and climate. I hope the difference is clear with you all, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask it further.